Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and only if you're liking it, and if you want more of such videos, then go hit the subscribe button so that you will get notification as and when I upload a daily live trading, question answer videos, trade talks, strategy videos like this. So you get to know a lot of tips and tricks and advices, and we share a lot of things. So please do hit that subscribe button. And in today's video is mainly for all the beginners who wants to know how to pick a stock at around 9:15 a.m. because I see a lot of people asking. You guys saw one of my live trading video where I traded around 9:15 a.m. So many ask how it is. I know there are a lot of traders who use this strategy, and I thought most of you guys know it, but there are a lot of newcomers into this market, so they don't understand all these. So I thought if I share this particular idea, what most of them are using, then this will definitely help you how to pick a stock. But there is a lot of risk involved in this, so please be careful. This is only for educational purpose, only just for a knowledge basis, not for trading. So please do take this as a knowledge. Do not trade based on these. So without wasting time, let's go into the system and I'll show you the screen recording. So let's go. So all you need to do is you need to go to your browser and type NSE India. So once you type NSE India, you get this nseindia.com website. Just go into the website. Okay, I'll just go a bit slow so that people who do not understand English also can understand in a better way. Then we go and click in this live market, and in live market you need to go and click on pre-open market. Okay, as soon as you click on pre-open market, you get a list of stocks. Okay, so every day morning what you need to do is around 9:10. Okay, around 9:10 open this chart, keep all your trading account, everything ready. Okay, ready for trade. And what you need to do is you need to open this screen around 9:10 and then refresh the screen. You can see a lot of stocks over here. Okay, so around 9:15 is when you need to watch this. After 9:15 you need to do a homework for 15 minutes. You need to immediately either choose the first stock, second stock, or third stock, or whichever stock is your favorite. Choose that. I would prefer you to choose the first stock. So for example, I will go and put here the stock IOC. Okay, I will go add IOC like that. Anybody, for example, somebody will go and put INFI, INFI. So whichever stock you want to concentrate for the day, take that stock. Adani Ports, Adani Ports, and then we had Hindalco also. So enough, 4 stocks is enough for now. Hindalco, for example, like this. So it doesn't mean you need to put all the 4 stocks. People who are expert can put 2-3 stocks and monitor. People who are beginners, if you're finding it difficult, you need to put just one single stock out of the list. Top 3 stocks or first stock, anything is fine. Just put a stock. Okay, so now your duty is from 9:10 you took everything and put everything, and 9:15 you are, once 9:15 is done, you can choose the top stocks from here, put it into your radar. Okay, so once you put into your radar, you have only 15 minutes to take necessary actions. Okay, and in chart over here I'm using a 15 minutes chart. You need to use a 15 minutes candlestick. It's a candlestick over here, so 15 minutes candlestick over here. No other much studies are required right now. So 15 minutes candlestick you are going to use over here. Okay, so this is 9:15. So 9:15 this candle starts, and this is a 9:30. So what you need to do over here is within that 9:15. Okay, so for example, you didn't take all this, you just took this particular stock. Within 9:15 you have to put it in this radar, open the chart. Okay, 15 minutes candlestick. You need to see what is your capital and do your calculations, how much quantity you can buy. When I say how much quantity you can buy, take a round off. See, for example, it's 159. Take at least the stock price is 160. Considering it will go up or down, don't consider. Just put a little bit above. Buy a little bit less quantity itself, not a problem. So calculate your quantity. Once you calculate your quantity, you are ready to put the trade anytime, right? So 9:15. So within 9:15 to 9:30, the time goes, and when it comes to 9:30. This is the candle which completes, and the new candle will start over here, 9:30 candle, right? So once this candle completes, you need to target the highest and the lowest made by this candle. So the highest over here is this 160.25 and lowest is 157.87, right? So now you have calculated everything and kept. So immediately what you need to do is either split your capital in two ways and put a bracket order buy here above this here, this is the target, and put 0.3% target, and put a sell here and put a 0.3 target over here for the target. Okay, and once the stock once the 9:30 starts, it will take time, and later it breaks here, it will trigger, and your target is done here itself, and the stock goes up and down. So all the beginners, I would prefer only 0.3% target in these type of techniques. Rest traders can take their own risk because they will have their own knowledge and tricks. So it's a very simple trick which you can use, but you need to be very quick to use this. So what I would say, you guys don't put your money and try this. Please observe this every day, and if it is helping you, then take your own risk. So this is how you can use this strategy. Okay, so I would always I suggest the top stock for the day. I put a line in the top and down, and once it crosses the top you can buy, once it crosses the down you can sell and hit that 0.3% target. The risk is very high here, but depends on your knowledge and observations. Please do observe, and this most of the time, around 70 to 80% of the time this works. There are chances when it will not move, it will just hit your buy and it may not go even 0.3%, and then it will go in the opposite way. So be very careful, observe the market and see how it is. See your examples. Next, when the market opens, just see which is the top stock, put over here, put two lines above and below, see which it crosses and will it hit a 0.3%. Use always a bracket order with a limit, bracket order with a limit where you can set your price. Only when it goes towards that price, the trade will be triggered, and then a 0.3% also will be hit within minutes or within some time. So observe first. Do paper trading and virtual trading. I do not suggest anybody to put your money and take risk, because trading, intraday trading, is the highest risk. You need to have a lot of guts to do intraday trading, because most of the people lose money intraday trading. So if you're a new member, don't lose your money. Always learn for at least 6 months to 1 year, get trained, learn from different people, and once you get the confidence, that is when you need to try. So this is one of the idea which we can choose a stock by 9:15, and then you can trade the stock by 9:30. So this is one technique. Hope this, if you're liking such type of video, then please go hit that like video and mention that in the comment, and also share this video and subscribe this channel, so that I will make more of such videos in the coming like Sundays. Somewhere I can make some such type of learning video, how to pick stocks and ideas. So please do support me on this, and thank you so much for your support. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.